Welcome to Maths Easy Peasy, and in today's class we shall be finding profit and loss percent. A car which cost $12,000 was sold for $15,000. Find the profit percent made. Now, percentage profit is simply calculated by writing the profit over the cost price multiplied by 100 all over 1. Let's go into the calculation board to see how we can solve this simple question. Solution. The formula for calculating percentage profit. Percentage profit is equal to profit all over the cost price times 100 all over 1. In this case, the profit has not been known. So the first thing we must do is to calculate the profit. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost what? Price, which will simply become $15,000 minus $12,000. Now working, when we subtract 12 from 15, our answer will be $3,000. So with this, we can impute this into the formula. The profit over the cost price times 100 all over 1. So we go straight to impute this into the formula. Percentage profit will be equal to the profit, which is 3,000 all over 12,000, which is the cost what? Price, multiplied by 100 all over 1. So this can take this off, this can take this off, this takes this off. 3 here, 1, 3 in 12 gives us what? 4. 4 here, 1, 4 in 10, this was 2 remainder 2, 4 in 20 gives us 5. So in this case, the percentage profit is 25%. That's actually easy peasy. This is our second question for today. A toy which cost £1,600 was sold for £1,200. Find the loss percent. Now the first thing we must do is to calculate the loss. Then we equate it into the formula, and the formula is actually easy. It is the loss over the cost price times 100 all over 1. So from our parameters, we have loss will be equal to cost price minus selling what? Price. And the cost price from the board is £1,600 minus the selling price is £1,200, which gives us £400. Now, we're going to impute this into the formula to get our percentage loss. Therefore, percentage loss will be equal to loss all over cost price times 100 all over 1. This will simply be equal to the loss is 400 and the cost price as we have on the board is 1,600 multiplied by 100 all over 1. Now with this, we can cancel off. This can take this off. This can take this off. 4 here 1. 4 here is 4. 4 here 1. 4 here is 2 remaining 2. 4 in 20 is 5. And this gives us another 25% loss. So the percentage loss is simply 25. Maths is actually easy, easy, lemon squeezy, pizza cheesy, KFC chicken. See you in my next class. Bye.